Hey G.L.A.M.s, it's your host again, Tatiana with the G.L.A.M. Life, where I'll be providing complete beauty tips, techniques, and testimonials to reveal the glam in you. Now I'm about to get unready after long days of work and different activities with the fam. I'm about to show you all how I remove my makeup. Oftentimes, wearing makeup is a good thing, but the bad thing and the drawback to it is not knowing how to properly take it off as well as care for your skin. So this technique right here is a technique that I love. It's inexpensive, it's all natural, and it gets the job done. So about to take my glasses off. I have a little bit of the makeup setting in the nose part, but we're not going to worry about that because it's about to be taken off. And basically I use the oil cleansing method to take off my makeup. One of the benefits of the oil cleansing method is that first off, it's all natural. Second off, it removes all the makeup completely. I love it. It just gets the job done. It just gets it all off practically in one sweep. Now, some of the things that you are going to need is hot water. Now, hot as you can stand it. So oftentimes I do put my water on the stove because I don't have my hot water heater set at that desired temperature. So I set it with put hot water on the stove, and I combine it with a little bit of cold water so it can be to what I can stand. So hot as you can stand it. An oil mixture bottle. Now this is my handy dandy oil bottle. I have used this in a previous video on how I do my hot oil treatments on my hair. So this oil is basically 2 parts castor, 2 parts coconut, 2 parts olive, and 2 parts avocado oil. I shake it all up, mix it together. Now one of the benefits of the olive oil, it's very moisturizing. Coconut oil is also another moisturizing agent. Castor oil is a cleansing agent. It has ricin in it, which helps get all that grit and grime and bacteria that may come present in the skin. And the avocado oil is just very soothing. So combine those all together, you have a perfect mixture for hot oil treatments, skincare treatments, as well as a quick and easy makeup removal. So, and I also have the bottle is almost empty, my Johnson & Johnson's baby wash. Those 2 simple ingredients, well actually 5 ingredients along with some hot water gets the job done for me. So basically I start off with hot water, and it's just again as hot as I can stand. It is a little hot, so I know you all may see the steam coming up to the camera. And I just pretty much put the towel like this over my face. And the reason why I put the hot towel over my face, G.L.A.M.s, is because that hot air and that steam opens up those pores, which is definitely what you want, so that oil can get in and pull all that grit, grime, dirt, debris, free radicals, all that stuff that you walk throughout the day. It will just come out in one sweep. Let me take off my wedding ring because it gets kind of slimy. So I'm just going to basically take about a quarter size amount in my hand to initially begin with, and I'm just going to massage in gently. Now I'm going to do 1/2 of my face at a time so you all can see the difference, and I can put it over my eyes, and it just gets all that eye makeup, the foundation, everything, the eyeliner, mascara, it just comes off in one quick sweep. So I normally do about a quarter size amount or a little bit more for my whole face, but for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to do 1/2 of my face, and I'm just massaging it in. It's very smooth, very invigorating. The drawback is it is kind of slimy, and yes, your sink will look like chocolate milk is present in the sink. I know, especially if you are a brown skin G.L.A.M. like I am, it's going to definitely make your sink kind of slimy. So definitely have some cleaner on hand to be able to clean the sink when you're done. And I'm just going to wipe it off. And as you all see, this is half my face with the makeup and the other half without the makeup. And as you all see, it just completely diminished. And I'm about to do the other side. And the reason why you want that hot water is because it'll easily help lift up that oil that is present on the rack. Now I'm about to do the other side. So I'm going to take a quarter size amount for the video on the other side, but I pretty much use a quarter size amount, a little bit more on my whole face. And again, just dissolving it in, and as you all see, it's just melting like butter. That eyeliner, foundation, blush, lip liner, mascara, anything that's waterproof. I do wear a lot of waterproof and color stay type products, especially with the kind of work that I do. I don't want to keep reapplying, so it gets even the most stubborn of makeup off. And another benefit of this Remedy G.L.A.M.s is that it's very cheap. A lot of these ingredients you may already have in your cupboards when it comes to the oil, and some of you all may have small children, you may already have the Johnson & Johnson's baby wash. So I'm just getting this rag. Now it is pretty hot, so as hot as you can stand it. You want to take that and wipe it over your face like so. So my makeup is pretty much removed, and like I said, I recommend that you have hot water as much as you can stand it, and mix it in with a little bit of cold water. And like I said, that hot water just pretty much opens your pores to dry out, not to dry out, but to draw out all that makeup and dirt that your skin has come in contact throughout the day. Now I'm taking my Johnson & Johnson's baby wash, and you can get this in any of the scents. This is in the vanilla oatmeal. They also have the regular scent as well as like a pink one. But one thing I like about this is very sensitive. It's not harsh. And just, I took 2 pumps, and now I'm just going all over my face. And another benefit of this product is G.L.A.M.s, it's a no tears formula. So it's even gentle to use around the eyes, which is another benefit. So it just gets out all that excess dirt, debris, anything that maybe the oil cleanse did not draw out. And I pretty much use this method every single night. Now I must admit, I do get lazy sometimes. Sometimes I just go in the shower and just take a bar soap like the Dove soap that I use and just wash my face like that. That is a good method. It's also a great way to exfoliate the skin to get all those dead skin cells from the surface. You want to just do an old-fashioned scrub method. But one of the things and the benefits I like about this is it gets the job done. So just going to take a little bit more of the cleanser and go over my face. And as you see, I'm wiping it over my eyes. No burning, no irritation, which is definitely a plus and a must. I love products that do not irritate the skin. So these are products that are very purse friendly. And if you have small children, you may have a bottle of handy dandy Johnson & Johnson's head to toe body wash already present. And all right, G.L.A.M.s, that's pretty much it. My makeup removal routine is done. I don't too much go back over with a toner. Only time I really use toners is when I do my steam cleanse, which I try to do at least once to twice a week. And I want to be coming up with a more updated video with that. But like I stated before, you just need a handy dandy oil bottle with your choice of oils. My choice of oils was olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil, as well as avocado oil, and I did 2 parts on each because it's about I think an 8-ounce bottle, and I just did 2 parts and just shook it all together and mixed. Follow with some hot water. I don't have a hot water display, but as hot as you can stand it, and that hot water is to help open up those pores and draw out all that makeup, dirt, debris, free radicals, all the things that your skin has come in contact with throughout the day, and your handy dandy baby wash. And once I get done, you can take a little bit of the oil to go back over your skin, but normally this is how I take off my makeup to get a fresh slate for the next day. So I pray that this helps. Comment below, let me know what your nighttime routine is on how you take off your makeup. But this method is a tried and true method that works for me, and I pray that it works for you. Be blessed and be glamorous.